My fellow Jamaicans, as we stand at the start of a new year, I address you with a thankful heart full of hope and a vision brimming with possibilities. Today marks not just the beginning of another year, but also the dawn of a new chapter in our nation's history. A chapter which we will write together with commitment, compassion, courage, and pride. This past year has been a journey with its share of challenges. We faced the shadows of crime, violence, road accidents, and other criminal activities which tested the resilience of our communities. But I hasten to remind you that darkness is only a precursor to dawn. This year, we must commit ourselves to being the light that dispels darkness, to be steadfast in our resolve to experience a brighter future, and to be decisive in our actions. The future of our nation has to be firmly built on the bonds of trust, responsibility, and accountability towards each other. In this new year, let us embrace the role of being our brothers and sisters' keepers. Let us foster a culture where we do not just look out for ourselves, but also look out for our neighbors, friends, and even the strangers. Our collective welfare hinges on our individual actions. So let us choose empathy, kindness, understanding, and rectitude as our guiding principles. Additionally, on our journey of progress, we must not overlook those who struggle to keep a pace with us. Let us extend our hands and hearts to those who really need our compassion and help in order to survive. Whether it is supporting the needy, aiding those battling illnesses, or standing by someone experiencing hardship, our support and compassion can make a difference. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, builds a stronger society. I again pledge to carry out my role with integrity, to listen with an open heart, and act with the nation's best interest at the forefront. But the journey ahead is not mine alone. It is ours to travel together. Each one of us has a role to play and a contribution to make. So let us step into this new year with a renewed sense of purpose, a rekindled spirit of unity, and an unwavering commitment to make our nation a haven of peace, a haven of prosperity and harmony. Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities and our collective dreams into reality. Happy New Year, everyone. May God bless you and bless Jamaica, land we love.